Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and this is my beautiful harbor right here. So amazing. Really gorgeous. Look at that. Yesterday I took a boat ride out to view the bears in their natural habitat, and boy, was that ever an epic experience. So Alaska is amazing, and it's a definite bucket list choice, and I started working from home when my kids were little, and I would never go back. And that was the best decision I've made. I would definitely never go back. And I haven't driven to a job since my kids were little. And now I have 7 grandkids. Can you imagine? Do you want to make money online? Well, the successful solution method is what I have been using and consistently making money. It launched the end of May, and June 5, I actually made a commission of $350. It's incredible, and I have been making commissions every single week since then. And for my 7-week stretch now, I've made over $1,750. I'm very happy. Isn't that incredible? I do these simple tasks online. I don't have to worry about people. I don't have to worry about talking to anybody or trying to convince someone. I don't do any of that, which takes the pressure off completely of any kind of work from home job you do. Any kind of business you're in, it is really important that it's simple and easy for newbies. And that's just exactly what this is. It is simple and easy, and I love what I do. Now that's something a lot of people don't enjoy what they do, but I love what I do for so many reasons. Of course, I can be home and I can run around with my grandkids or do what I want to, get up when I want to. And my life is just a simple, beautiful, I can take advantage of all the amazing beauty in Alaska, and again, love what I do is so important. It's just the freedom of all that is just so invigorating, really. It just makes me so excited to get up every single day because I love what I do. And a couple hours, maybe, to do your work, that's nothing compared to punching a time clock every single day and, not enjoying it is really hard. And I'm just so thankful that I have this successful solution method that I have now, and that I love what I do. Another beautiful thing about what we do is that we have this Facebook group, and all of us are in the same group. So we have this HIVE activity. We support each other and we help each other, and that's a good place people can come and look and see what we do and learn about everything, so they can make an informed decision, which is awesome. We don't have to, all of us participate in that, so it's so simple. And we have a group on Messenger, so we can connect with each other and have certain types of training and things we do, and it's perfect, really. Because if you've ever been with a team and you ever walk together with a team to move forward in making money online, it really goes really well when there's an entire group of people. So that is so important to have that when you're doing a business online, and it's great. It's lovely. We can support each other, and I like it. I like it so much. The person that created this model is somebody I've been following for years and know, like, and trust them so much. I have learned so much from them, and it's made a difference completely in my life. And I really respect her, and she's a straightforward person. She is honest. She will tell you like it is. She will tell you, well, don't do that. Do this. This is what'll make it work. Well, I appreciate that. I want someone that's a straight shooter that tells you the truth. I don't want some sugar-coated stuff that really won't work for me. I want something that's going to work. And she is that person. And a lot of these guys that are 6 multi-figure earners, which she is, don't tell you everything. Don't tell you really what you need. you know, and I appreciate the honesty and the truth, and being able to make a consistent income is exactly what I've been looking for. And the beauty, of course, is this is a different model. And, you know, without having any experience, without ever making money online, you can make money because this model works. And it's really important for helping people and everyone that actually follows the model makes money. And it's simple, and it really can change your life so much to have such a system. And it really is an important thing to have this kind of a system. Most people don't know what to do. Most people don't know how to get traffic, or most people can't make the sales. Most people, you know, don't want to talk to people. Like I mentioned earlier, you know, it's just so hard for them. And that is one of the pieces of the puzzle that is always a problem. That's why very few people are able to earn online, because they do not know that piece of the puzzle. And that is a vital piece to the puzzle. And, you know, when that's already kind of built in for you and just takes that off your plate, so you don't have to worry about it, you don't stress about it, you don't have to think about it, you just do your simple task and you're good, you know. I mean, how huge is that? And our team is just killing it. Honestly, we have people earning money right and left, people that have never earned money. And it's just the best thing ever. And I definitely wanted to share it with you because I'm so excited that you can earn online. And that makes me happy to help others. That is what we're all about. I've been getting paid every week for 7 weeks. I get notifications that I have a payment coming. I get paid on Friday. I get 2, 3 notifications a week. And it's so no stress, no worries, no. You get up, you do what you love, which I do, love what I do, and you get paid. And it's been such an awesome experience for me to see something that is so incredibly good for everybody, which usually that's not the case. So it's really been a wonderful journey. And I don't know what you're looking for or what you want to do. If you want extra income, a full-time income, you know, some way to help you through this quarantine time. It's really tough for people now. I know, for jobs, people lose their jobs, things change. It's hard, it's crazy out there, and this is a really good way. No matter where you're at, no matter where I go, I can do this. And it's a really relief. I've done this since my kids were little, I know, but it is really a relief to be able to still do this and have that freedom, you know, to move around. And you know, even if you're quarantined, you know, you can still do this at home or wherever, and that is really so important, especially now. And I just wanted to give you options. Now, I wanted to tell you there's different levels, so there's something here for everyone. So if you're thinking, oh, I just probably can't do that because I don't, you know, have the funds to, well, you know, you could start out for $125, and that's pretty cool because there's a level for everyone, so you can participate wherever you want. And that is what I really do love too, is you don't have to, it's not, you know, it's tailored for everybody really, and we like that. I don't know about you, but I like simple, and that's really important these days when life is so crazy, so busy, and kids, and it's always important really with kids and families. And you know, you don't have to spend all day sitting down at a desk and working or whatever you do. You know, it's very simple, and that's really important for people. My journey has just been a gift, an incredible gift, to have consistent income so quick. And see, that's another thing that's really amazing. It's quick. You know, within, you know, not everybody has the exact same experience, but everybody's having incredible experiences. And for me to have this launched the end of May, you know, and then June 5, I get this notification that I'm going to have $350 in my bank account on Friday. I mean, who wouldn't love that? I just was blown away and shocked about that. One of the really nice perks is you don't have to worry about, you know, not being helped when you get in, because we have it all set up for you. You don't have to wonder what you're doing. You don't have to worry. You have a success coach that will talk to you, and that's, you never find that anywhere, you know. And the entire, you know, because you have a back office, so you're going to have access to all the training and all the information that you need, and it's not going to be Greek. You know, you're going to know exactly what you do. It's like 2 or 3 minute videos on the simple task, you know, so you listen to them, you know exactly what you're going to be doing, and that's important. I mean, who actually knows exactly what they're going to do when they start any business online? Usually people are lost, and that is not a good place to be, and not know what to do. Now, you know, I've written it out. I've got a schedule. I'm in the groove. I know what to do. Can't beat that. I'm telling you what, it's important. And so we have that back office, and then we have a back office that's has to do with your income and shows you what you make and all that. Really cool, very nice. And so you don't have to worry about any of that. You get that back office. You get a website for free. You get the keep track of your finances for free. You know, it's all part of the system, which I love. It's especially extraordinary, really, to have all this put in place for you, to know exactly what to do. So I'd check it out and see, and I will be happy to put you in the Facebook group. So just go to my website and sign up, get the details, the packages levels, the video about the program again, and just kind of give you some more details so you know exactly where you're at, what you want to do. And you know, I will add you to our Facebook group, and it'll be really wonderful and fun, because I'm so incredibly excited to share this with anybody, because this is an answer to an important problem, is earning. So I'm just so blessed and thankful to be able to share this with you. And just like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And bye from Alaska. Hey guys, this is my rainforest walk here. So I thought I'd do a video of the path I walk through the woods. So pretty.